कटेगा सर। आप मीडिया
ब्लॉक करें
प्लीज सर। जीतू भाई हाथ आ रहा है।
यस
जीतू भाई थोड़ा
अजी सर आपका फ्रेम हो गया सर, आप फ्रेम ले लीजिए।
मगर उससे पहले grace and blessings here, ladies and gentlemen, and to do the honors, I request Mr.
सर एक फोटो कर देना बराबर। यहाँ पे देखिए सब, यहाँ पे बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू। Collaboration and support and the power that you have given us. This is Indian Oil Chairman Mr. D. Satish Kumar, right here with us. This entire audience is waiting to hear from you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, अगर कोई दिल से अगर किसी को प्यार करता है तो वो मोहम्मद मुरानी है। अगर मोहम्मद भाई के लिए अगर जज्बाती
Indian Oil Trade presents Indian Gourmet Lux Season 2, where flavors wed luxury. In a celebration of culinary artistry and entertainment excellence, tonight we gather as one community with some of the brightest minds and talents from the wedding, hospitality and culinary industry, alongside gifted performers who will make the night truly unforgettable. The evening is more than a showcase of gourmet delicacies. It's an opportunity for all of us to come together, connect, explore new trends that will shape the wedding and events industry future. For the exquisite dishes to the handcrafted cocktails, captivating performances, we've curated a night designed to sparkle, inspiration and celebrate excellence of luxury. I want to take a moment to extend my deepest gratitude to Team Gourmet Lux, who have worked tirelessly, pouring their hearts into every detail to ensure this event is nothing short of a spectacular. Your commitment and passion have made tonight possible. For that, I thank you all. A special thank you to Bismil Ki Mehfil, along with all the celebrities, singers, performers who have honored us with their presence and talent. For all of you, we have some surprise performances that I know will leave you enchanted. As we enjoy this beautiful evening, let's not celebrate the moment, but also look forward to what lies ahead. Together, let's continue to elevate our industries, support one another, and work towards an evening for more successful years ahead, filled with innovation, collaboration, and excellence. Thank you. Please enjoy the night.
Jimmy. Aja. Just very good to see all.
While I will come to your answer, the question what you are asking for. So we have been working on that. We will be showcasing those aspects in times to come. And wayside amenities is one thing which is coming up very strongly in the country. And greenfield express highways are developing all across the quadrilateral that is connecting north-east, south-west, and the north-south corridor and east-west corridor. In this, we are expecting around 1,000 such wayside amenities going to come up. And the future of the travel and the entire thing is going to go for a big change. So when you speak of Delhi, Mumbai, it is the Indian Oil which is present. Whether you talk about Mumbai to Hyderabad segment or the Chennai segment, it is Indian Oil which is going to be present. I am looking forward for all my colleague friends here to come and establish their units in our wayside amenities, make a win-win combination for the customers, and I am quite sure we welcome each one of you with open arms and give all the facilities what is required. In the process of whatever winning combination we can develop, we are certainly there for it.
I'm sure we have a lot of partners from different, we have top hoteliers, I've met top hoteliers from Taj Group of Hotels, from Leela, ITC, Fairmont, many other people from fraternity have said. I think 1,000 just wayside amenities, and with, what is the scale of wayside amenity typical?
A typical wayside amenity is to the extent of 20 acres.
20 acres.
And we go as high as 40 acres also.
So 1,020 to 40 acres facilities on highways are going to come up in near future. That is the opportunity that lies ahead in near future. This is not distant future.
It is very much on the cards.
It is amazing. So I think the floor is open to everyone and anyone who wants to be part of that. And I'm sure there's a process that they can partake. And I know that you have your team here. I know the, as you call it, NFR, non-fuel revenue, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you have people from that also. I'm sure we'll like to get them to meet some nice people. Okay, we have a beautiful launch planned here. I think that's what we should do. And I know that you have taken so much time, and I know that this is only for us you've done, so I appreciate that. I know you have to rush back to Delhi, you know that, but thank you once again. And the launch.
Thank you, sirs, for your words of wisdom, which are really very important for all of us present here. देवियों और सज्जनों, इस जगह रील्स और शॉर्ट्स का है, इसीलिए हमने इंडियन ऑयल के एलपीजी विभाग यानी इंडेन ने आपके यानी आप अपने ग्राहकों के समय तथा खर्च में बचत करने और क्षमता में वृद्धि करने के लिए अपना एक अनूठा प्रोडक्ट एक्स्ट्रा तेज को 9 सितंबर 2020 में लॉन्च किया था। और अपनी तमाम खासियतों की वजह से यह सिलेंडर मात्र 4 वर्षों की अवधि में 77% सेल्स में वृद्धि हासिल कर चुका है। और करें भी क्यों ना, इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में स्वयं श्री संजीव कपूर सर जुड़े हुए हैं। तो जो एक्स्ट्रा तेज सिलेंडर पारंपरिक सिलेंडर्स की अपेक्षा इतना खास है, उसकी रूप और उसका अपीयरेंस भी कुछ खास होना चाहिए। इंडिया गवर्नमेंट लक्स सीजन 2 से अच्छा मौका और क्या हो सकता था, इसीलिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ सर आपकी परमिशन से।
सर उससे पहले एक करेक्शन, ये है इंडियन ऑयल, ठीक से बोलिए पूरा का पूरा।
इंडियन ऑयल इंडेन एक्स्ट्रा तेज प्रेजेंट्स इंडिया गवर्नमेंट लक्स सीजन 2।
Yes.
So sir, with your kind permission, sir, I'll invite you to please come here, and with your permission, I'll ask Thank you, sirs. Sir, now turning towards yet another product from Indian Oil Indian, the domestic cylinders, which is nothing less than a family member for all of us. I'm sure we all know the traditional metallic 14.2 kg red colored cylinders. लेकिन
रास्ते में आके खड़ा हो गया। भाई साइड हो जाओ।
हट जा।
2 मिनट। सर सेंटर सर सेंटर।
Yes, sir. One more, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, look here. Go ahead, man. Sir.
अरे यहाँ लेके खड़ी नहीं हो पाएगी अकेले। एक बार होल्ड। सर यहाँ पे। सर एक तरफ इधर।
ये जोड़ने का
लक्स जो है बड़ा शानदार एंट्रेंस है। अभी मैं अंदर जा रहा हूँ एंड संजीव जी द मास्टर ऑफ मास्टर शेफ्स आई वुड कॉल हिम एंड उनका ऐसा है कि ही हैज चेंज्ड द टेस्ट ऑफ इंडियन फूड आई वुड से एंड द गोरमे व्हिच ही प्रिपेयर्स। मैं उनका दोस्त भी हूँ, भाई हूँ, and I'm a big fan of this. Have a great time. Thank you.
भाई यहाँ पे
मोदी जी यहाँ पे आइए ना। हर मुझे थोड़ा पीछे या सर, या मोदी जी यहाँ, मोदी जी यहाँ पे। लेने आया हूँ, इनवाइट किया है तो आ गया। आइए सर, दोनों साथ में। इधर लुक दीजिए मोदी जी। मोदी सर पे रोल कर रही है। क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत बधाई है। मैं सवेरा
It's great to be here along with Mohammed at India Lux Gourmet Live. It's a great event. This is my second time here. I've seen how this event is evolving year on year, and the best in the business of food and beverage, culinary, and all are coming together to put up this great show.
He's a great friend of mine. He had the feed he's all the Rila Hotel. They are going public soon. I wish him them all the best. I'm a big fan of the Rila Hotel and an amazing gentleman, and they are our participant for the second year. And thank you for your support.
Thank you, Mohammed. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Feels great, looks like a culinary celebration, and anything where Chef Sanjeev's name is associated, खाना तो अच्छा ही होगा, and I think the hospitality is going to be great. I can see a lot of faces over here who are familiar, and a lot of people who have come to enjoy food and beverage, and I feel this is the best way to celebrate hospitality, culinary, food and beverage. I think it's the best way to do it. Thanks a lot.
इसका मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, राइट में नहीं देखा, शंकर की कपाल क्या बात
थोड़ा नीचे थोड़ा नीचे
Feels nice here wherever food I am there. So I'm a big foodie, so looking forward to it. And being a husband of a woman who has an event company and works in that, so it's a great experience. I think we'll have inside. मैं डाइट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
नहीं बहुत डाइट करते हैं बेचारे आजकल भी स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे हैं, हार्डली खाते हैं.
कुछ नहीं, ऑब्वियसली संजीव जी छोड़ेंगे नहीं मुझे बिना कुछ खाए, बट आज मन मारने का दिन है कि दिल बी हेल लॉट ऑफ डिलीशियस फूड इनसाइड और मुझे मन मारना पड़ेगा आज फिर.
नहीं, आई एम श्योर कि अंदर हेल्दी ऑप्शंस भी होंगे तो तुम्हें पूरा नहीं मन मारना होगा. It feels great because as he said कि हमने इवेंट कंपनी स्टार्ट की है लाबेल पे, तो हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है टू ट्राई ऑल दीज डिफरेंट गोurmet ड्यूक्स थिंग्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड संजीव जी एंड अलियोना बहुत साल से हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं,
बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे.
तो अगर वो कुछ कर रहे हैं तो हमारा आना तो बनता ही है.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Excited and I'm very happy for my friend Jimmy and Deepak Chaudhary जिनका ये फेस्टिवल है गुरमा. Such a beautiful I'll do it again. I'm so excited and so happy to be here, especially मैं Jimmy और Deepak Chaudhary के लिए आई हूँ because उनका ये फेस्टिवल है and I really want to wish them all the very best.
Thank you ma'am.
कौन गंगू?
Yeah.
Who's गंगू?
अभी तो आए हैं, माहौल देखिए कितना गर्म है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मुझे बहुत से दोस्त दिख रहे हैं यहाँ, तो आई मीन आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग एवरीबॉडी.
बहुत अच्छा है, हम हर साल आते हैं जब से स्टार्ट हुआ है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव द लक्स गुरमे एंड हमारे दोस्त हैं द मोरानीज हु हैव started this, which is fantastic.
संजीव कपूर,
संजीव जी जो मैं जिनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ.
और एक खास कारण मैं बता दूं हमारा यहाँ पे आने का हर साल, ये बहुत अच्छी शेफ है, इनका एक गांधीज किचन चलता है, सो शी हैज अ पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट टू कम एंड सी एंड वॉच एवरीथिंग एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. जी क्या मैंने जिंदगी में डाइट कभी नहीं किया. हाँ थोड़ा, आई मीन डाइट, by diet you mean what you are having, not that you are fasting, right? So yes, I keep some control of what I'm having, but per se fasting and all.
Thank you.
Very nice.
My name is Anup Puri. I'm a 1969 batch graduate from Pusa, New Delhi, and I've served the hotel industry for almost about 45 years in senior and corporate positions. And after that, I come from a filmy background. My father, my uncles, I'm the son of late Mr. Chavan Puri, the eldest brother of Mr. Madan Puri and Amrish Puri. And for the last 28 years, I've been into modeling and doing a lot of TV serials, movies. 2 of my movies are releasing very shortly. Ragnar Ranaut's Emergency, please watch it. Watch me as General Yaha Khan in that. And then Varun Dhawan's Baby John.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank
it's a pleasure to be over here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have to look there? Okay, fine. Enjoyed every bit. Okay. Where should I keep it? Here? Okay, so it feels great to be here. You get to meet a lot of industry people over here. You get to see the trends and the recent market up over here. It is also an honor to be part of this show where you are acknowledged for your creativity, your talent, your cuisine, and ITC being the pioneer for sustainability, creativity, and we representing Avartan at that scale where it is listed in Asia Top 50. It is an honor that we are honored and acknowledged in this forum. Thank you.
How does it feel being here at India Gourmet Lux?
At
India Gourmet Lux.
India Gourmet Lux. Okay. Hi, I'm Nisha Jamwal. I'm really excited to be here at the India Gourmet Lux. I think it's a great idea to get all the great chefs, the hotel brands, and the gourmet world of India that's booming. And I think I'm really proud to show off this part of India to the world because India's shining, India's booming, and India's making a foray all over the world. Jai Bharat, Jai India.
It's always good to be here. Sanjeev has invited, so definitely. And हमारे घर में तो खाना पीना चलता ही रहता है, खाने पीने के शौकीन है, तो definitely always good to be a part of culinary and food. Thank you.
I think gourmet is a very, very important part of our lives. I'm a wedding planner from Rajasthan, and food, nobody forgets food. People can forget everything else, but food they cannot. And I think it's lovely to be here in Bombay, and it's lovely to see so much, so many participants here, and so much artistry with food and beverages here. What am I looking forward for? I don't think so with food there's anything specific. But yes, I'm looking forward for, how people experiment with different palettes, and how we can, as a wedding planner, how I can even pick up different palettes and cater to my clients.
So I feel very happy winning this award. So I just recently started my own agency called Turban AK Consultation, which basically covers promotions with restaurants, hospitality, events, and I'm very grateful for getting this award. And thank you India Gourmet Lux, which will do wonders for India and across the world. Thank you. Thank you.
On screen, अभी यहाँ पे
खिचड़ी एक ऐसी डिश है जिससे हमारा बड़ा सालों का एक ऐसा नाता है कि वी आर नोन फॉर दैट. एंड मिस्टर कपूर, जिनसे मेरा परिचय उन दिनों हुआ व्हेन मिस्टर कपूर यूज्ड टू वॉच खिचड़ी एवरी ट्यूसडे, और उनके घर पे खिचड़ी बनती थी, तो हमारा खाने का रिश्ता एक साथ हुआ है. एंड लास्ट ईयर आई वाज हियर एट दिस फैंटास्टिक fabulous, delicious event, and we said how can we miss it. It's so good that you get the best of the people of our country, and it's a very special occasion Whereas my daughter is going to CIA, Culinary Institute of America, for her graduation. So I said, we cannot miss this at any cost. And I'm sure that in future I will see her having a stall with Mr. Kapoor and his exhibition, hopefully. Thank you. Thank you.
Say my best friend Anu. Come now. Arey, come now. What is this called? What is India Gourmet Lux. With my friends Alok, Rohit, Shalini, Urvashi, and of course my friend Anusha. And it's very well done. Lovely food, some good entertainment, and met some really nice chefs and really nice people. And it's done so systematically and nicely. Pleasure. Thank you.